Welcome to the AutoCAD Architecture Design course, designed by IIT Patna and delivered by Baroda Institute of Technology. This course will take you from a beginner to a professional architecture designer, focusing on 2D drafting, 3D modeling, rendering, and making you BIM ready. This is a comprehensive program bridging academic theory with professional practice to transform beginners into job-ready designers. Key features include an industry-aligned curriculum, real-world projects, expert mentorship, and dedicated placement support. Gain a competitive advantage with industry relevance, featuring quarterly syllabus updates. Benefit from project-based learning with 5+ hands-on projects and live portfolio creation. Learn from expert faculty, including IIT Patna alumni, and receive 100% placement support for career transitions. The course is structured in 5 core modules. Starting with foundations and 2D drafting, you will move to architectural standards and planning. Next, you'll cover 3D modeling and visualization, followed by MEP basics and coordination, culminating in documentation, BOQs, and portfolio creation. In the 2D drafting and architectural planning module, you will master the foundational language of architecture. The project outcome is a complete residential floor plan and construction sheets. You will master units and layers, precision tools, blocks and XREFs, annotation, sheets and viewports, and plot styles. Module 3 focuses on 3D modeling and rendering, transforming drawings into immersive 3D experiences. You will learn AEC walls, doors, windows, massing, form creation, sections and elevations, materials and textures, and lights and render output. The project outcome is a concept building model with high-resolution rendered views. The hands-on learning workflow is an iterative process, mirroring real-world studios. You will learn core concepts, apply them to client briefs, submit drafts for mentor reviews, iterate based on feedback, and finally, present your completed project for your portfolio. The student projects showcase real-world outputs. Examples include 2D drafting of a modern villa layout, 3D rendering of a corporate lobby, construction detailing, MEP systems coordination, and urban facade studies. The course unlocks diverse career pathways in the AEC industry. Roles include architectural CAD designer, BIM trainee or junior, CAD technician in civil, and design engineer assistant. These roles are in high demand and future ready. The Skills Mastery Matrix covers comprehensive technical competencies. You will achieve proficiency in drafting standards, AEC objects, 3D modeling, visualization, construction details, XREFs and blocks, sheets and layouts, collaboration, and portfolio design. Our placement readiness and support provide a structured roadmap to your first job. Steps include aptitude and soft skills training, brand building, mock interviews, and work on employer projects, leading directly to placement assistance and an offer letter. Follow your success journey from a CAD beginner to a professional. Stages include explorer, practitioner, creator, specialist, and finally, professional, where you achieve portfolio mastery and become an industry expert. Explore market opportunities in various industries like architecture studios, construction, real estate, interior design, infrastructure, and urban planning. Graduates are sought after by top firms and are prepared for diverse roles. Start your transformation in AutoCAD architecture now. Move from basic drafting to professional architectural design. Secure your spot in the industry's most comprehensive mentorship program. Contact us or visit our website to apply.